shampoo, body care, milk lotion. Oh wait, medyo nagutom ako. I need Lucky Me pancit canton. Parang mali ata yung marketing strategy nila. Kaya binibenta rito. Shampoo, panty, clear. Oh wait, look. It's all green. Antibacterial liquid soap. But since it's all green, I need San Marino, Tuna Paella. Nakakawalang gano'ng shopping bigla. That body care. Pero since nagugutom ako, I need some wafer. Wala kang connection yung mga placing nila dito. Parang, bakit kaya? I'm buying something for my skin, but since I'm hungry and it's summer, I need nata de coco. Walang connection.